Hello everyone, I am Özlem. My dream tiny house has been built and today, for the first time, I will be able to see it completely finished. I want to share my excitement with you. Let's go together.
Easy come and easy go.
Without forgetting the key, of course.
Fading star. A gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart.
I am extremely excited and joyful. I am finally achieving my dream of living in nature, which we have been sharing together for 4 years but has existed before.
It's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed true.
My teammates are as excited as me. Even though I have made hundreds of tiny house presentations, the experience of my own house feels really different. Mr. Aitons and his beautiful wife are the biggest partners of my excitement. I think Mr. Aitons wants to reinforce my excitement. Mr. Aitons and Ms. Özga have contributed a lot to the tiny house of my dreams. To burst. Amazing. This is way beyond my dreams. It's unbelievable. Have you seen the balcony? This is my favorite. I can't find the words to express my feelings. I really didn't expect this. The balcony is really incredible. I couldn't even imagine this. There are so many beautiful light details. I love it. Let's see each part in detail now. I can't take my eyes off the balcony. It's really good. There's a cupboard for the washing machine and plenty of storage space for other stuff. Just what I wanted. We opted for big windows to make the most of the daylight. I can't wait to see inside. It's so beautiful. The colors, design, and spaciousness are great. The kitchen area is incredibly beautiful and useful. There is a lot of storage space, and the furniture is very functional.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember.
I love this hanger. It's the first time I've seen one like this. It looks incredibly useful.
Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me.
Of course, the storage spaces don't end. Every square millimeter is so well utilized. Unbelievable.
And everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change.
Mr. Itons continues to surprise me. This was really a big surprise. I wasn't expecting such a big table.
I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock.
Amazing. The movable table is a great idea. I really enjoyed thinking about the dinner with my big family with lots of conversations.
I place a hand upon your heart. Every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart.
And one of the places I'm most curious about is the bathroom.
You call,
And I love the bathroom.
fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything.
Did you see the record on the door? Isn't it a great detail?
Time, love changes every heart, and any heart.
This is my loft. It's a space I'm thinking more for my guests. Isn't it great to be able to close off the staircase when not in use? Pajama parties and aunt-nephew conversations. So much fun.
Everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
And the bedroom. I love every detail. The reading light, the open shelf, the storage spaces, and the cabinets are great. Did you notice the detail on the cabinet doors? The decor used on the bathroom door, and I love it. I can finally go out onto my balcony. This is my multifunctional table. It really surprised me with its makeup table, desk, storage spaces. We can't just call it a table. I think we should call it a super table. It really reflects me with everything that really suits me. This is what I can call my tiny house. Many thanks to everyone who contributed. I will continue to collect beautiful memories intertwined with nature and share them with you. Stay tuned.